Hello, sir. Wishing you a very happy 19th anniversary of Kalakriti. Whatever Kalakriti is right now, whatever its place it is, it's all because of you. It's all because of your never giving up nature, your hard work, your consistency, everything, every idea of yours, every creativity of yours has taken Kalakriti to such heights. So yeah, the only person who is behind the success of Kalakriti is you. Personally, in my life, Kalakriti holds a very important place because I don't think so any other platform could give me that much of a exposure than Kalakriti. So thank you so much for making me a part of this wonderful journey. And 19 years is a long time, and I have been there since the very initial years of this school, and seeing its growth is tremendous, and it's all because of you. Thank you so much for including us, and being with you, associating with you is a great thing itself, because you're an amazing person, an all-rounder. So whenever I am with you, whenever I see you teaching or saying something, giving us instructions, guidelines regarding anything, it's always a treat to watch you, because being with you every now and then, every moment is a sort of experience, getting something which will always be useful in our coming future. So thank you so much for that. And one thing that is my favorite thing about you is you're not only a teacher, you're like a mentor to us, like a guardian. You guide us through every field. It's not only like art or particular, you guide us in every field, in about life, about career, about anything. If I need or if I have confusion, you're the first person that I go and seek advice from. So yeah, thank you. And I wish I could just get 20% of what skills you have. I think my life will be sorted up. You have given us so tremendous amount of exposure, and you have polished our skills in not only art but also in communication, in meeting people, and you have made us known so many things, which includes workshops, online workshops, and live painting sessions. These have polished our skills to such an extent that I think I have never seen any other place doing that. So yeah, thank you so much for making me a part of this wonderful journey, and I wish Kalakriti and you a very happy year ahead. I wish all the success and happiness coming to you in the coming years, and I'll be happy to be a part of it, not only now but also in the future, as long as I can. And to be honest, there's nothing I can really thank you enough for whatever you have given us. This is the least I can do to you, is to say how much important you are in our lives, in all the students' lives. So yeah, I wish you so much of success and everything in your life.